You
don't fucking talk about family.
You brought a girl out of her
fucking spectrum, bitch. Family. You don't fucking talk about family.
You brought a girl out of her
fucking spectrum, bitch. Family. You don't fucking talk about family.
You brought a girl out of her
fucking boy. If you don't get
So there you have it, Mystic got jokes. Hopefully this was a friggin' joke, man, because this shit is so disgusting, dude. Like I couldn't watch it. Like I watched the video once, and when I'm editing this, it's gonna be the second time I'm watching this video. It's just so nasty, man. Like, why would you spit on the girl, dude? Why is even Jessica with this man? Is it because she's a freaking gold digger and Mystic is the only dude she could get that has fame and is rich? I'm not sure. Or is this video fake as hell? I personally don't think this video is fake, because why would Jessica post this on her Instagram? Is it really just to get clout? Is it really just to get more attention towards their relationship? I'm not sure, man, but it seemed real. It seems like Mystic was pissed as hell, because he wasn't really talking in his vlogging voice. He sounded mad as hell. It sounded different from his vlogs and everything. So I personally think that spitting on a girl is just fucked up, man. Like, hitting a girl is past the boundaries. Spitting on her is second to none. That's basically hitting a girl. I'm not sure if he handled this in the right situation. I'm not sure if he actually spit on the girl or he spit beside her or what, because it didn't really show it. So all these accusations flowing around. Wait, I have to sneeze. Oh, it's gone. I hate when I have to sneeze and you can't sneeze. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is Mystic sick? Is he 100% healthy mental wise? I'm not sure. Or is the video just fake? I hope it's fake. Honestly, I hope it's fake, but the video was just showing you guys what happened. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Let's see 5 likes on this video, and all peace.